Welcome to the preparation of tasty Pakistani green biryani recipe. Let's start. To prepare green chutney, in a blender, add 1/2 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup chopped mint leaves, 1/2 cup coriander and 5 to 6 green chillies and blend until smooth. To prepare rice, boil rice in water, adding 1 teaspoon salt, lemon slices, cumin seeds and green chillies till 1 kanni. For the curry, sauté boiled onion paste in oil and don't let it change its color. Now add 1 tablespoon national ginger garlic paste, stir for half a minute, add chicken, potatoes and 1/2 pack Bombay Biryani mix powder in it. Cook on low flame till the chicken's water evaporates. Put 1 cup water, turn on the lid and cover for 20 minutes. Now evaporate if there is any water. Add 1/2 cup of whisked yogurt and let it evaporate while stirring. Add it in the curry with the highest flame on so that the water immediately gets evaporated. Don't let it turn brown from green. Assemble dum with biryani and put green food color on the rice. Cook it in steam for 10-15 minutes and serve.